Welcome to this exploration of digital signatures in cryptocurrency. Digital signatures are the cryptographic foundation that allows you to prove ownership and authorize transactions in the blockchain world. Without digital signatures, there would be no way to securely transfer cryptocurrency from one person to another. Throughout this presentation, we'll discover how this essential technology works and why it's critical for blockchain security. A digital signature is a cryptographic proof that verifies the authenticity and integrity of a message or transaction without revealing the private key. Think of it as a unique digital stamp that only you can create, but anyone can verify. Unlike a handwritten signature that looks the same on every document, each digital signature is unique to both the signer and the specific data being signed. This ensures that the signature cannot be copied and reused on a different transaction. Digital signatures rely on a key pair system consisting of two mathematically linked keys. The private key is your secret key that must be kept completely confidential. You use this private key to create signatures on your transactions. The public key, on the other hand, is shared openly with everyone on the network. Anyone can use your public key to verify that a signature was created by your private key. These two keys work together, but importantly, knowing the public key does not reveal the private key. The digital signature process involves 4 key steps. First, the transaction data is hashed into a fixed-length digest using a cryptographic hash function. Second, your private key encrypts this hash to create the digital signature. Third, the signature is attached to the transaction and broadcast to the network. Fourth, network participants use your public key to verify that the signature matches the transaction data. If the verification succeeds, it proves that the transaction was authorized by the holder of the private key and that the data has not been altered. When you sign a transaction, a mathematical formula combines the transaction hash with your private key to produce a unique signature. The formula can be expressed as signature equals sign of hash comma private key. This signing algorithm ensures that each signature is specific to both the transaction data and your private key. Even a tiny change in the transaction data would produce a completely different hash, resulting in an invalid signature. This cryptographic binding protects the integrity of your transactions. Verification is the counterpart to signing. Anyone can verify a signature using the formula valid equals verify of signature comma hash comma public key. The verification algorithm uses your public key to mathematically check whether the signature was truly created by the matching private key holder. If the verification returns true, it confirms 2 critical facts. First, that the signer possesses the private key, and second, that the transaction data has not been tampered with since it was signed. This allows trustless verification without needing a central authority. Digital signatures provide 4 essential security properties for cryptocurrency. Authentication proves that the transaction came from the legitimate key owner. Integrity ensures that data has not been tampered with after signing. Non-repudiation means the sender cannot deny having made the transaction, as only their private key could have created that signature. Finally, digital signatures enable direct peer-to-peer verification without requiring intermediaries like banks or payment processors. These properties form the security backbone of all cryptocurrency transactions. Every cryptocurrency transaction you make is signed with your private key and verified by the network using your public key. This ensures that only you can spend your funds. When you send Bitcoin or Ethereum, your wallet software automatically creates a digital signature using your private key. The blockchain network then verifies this signature before accepting the transaction. This elegant system allows billions of dollars to be transferred securely every day without relying on traditional financial institutions. Digital signatures are what make trustless, decentralized cryptocurrency possible.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.